Hello, my name is Christophe Perot. We are presenting Recycle Guru, a revolutionary solution that combines autonomous AI, blockchain, and tokenomic incentives to solve the global e-waste crisis. In 2024, the world generated 62 million tons of electronic waste. Recycle Guru transforms this problem into an economic opportunity for users. The problem is massive. Every year, 62 million tons of e-waste are generated globally. But here is the number that should alarm you. Only 22% is properly recycled. The remaining 78%? It ends up in landfills, pollutes the soil, and releases toxins like mercury and lead. But here is the opportunity. This waste contains $57 billion worth of precious materials, and consumers, especially Gen Z, are actively demanding sustainable solutions. The market is ready. Current incentives are not enough. Recycle Guru solves this problem with three integrated components. First, an autonomous AI agent that analyzes the real value of each device in real time, optimizes collection routes, and predicts user behavior. Second, a blockchain that guarantees the transparency and immutability of rewards. Third, direct integration with the circular economy, partnerships with recyclers, a marketplace for recovered materials, and environmental impact tracking. The user recycles, the AI evaluates, the blockchain distributes the rewards. The user can use or sell them. It's simple, transparent, and effective. Here's how it works in practice. The user lists their device on our platform. Our AI immediately analyzes its condition, components, and market value. Then the AI calculates the optimal collection route and coordinates with a local recycling partner. The partner picks up the device, verifies its condition, and the transaction is recorded on the blockchain. The device is then dismantled and processed. The materials are sorted and recovered. All of this is recorded on the blockchain. Finally, the eco-tokens are sent to the user's wallet. The user can then stake them to participate in governance, use them on our marketplace, or sell them. It's a complete and transparent cycle. Let's talk about tokenomics. We have a total supply of 1 billion eco-tokens. The allocation is strategic: 40% for user rewards, 15% for liquidity, 15% for the team with a 4-year vesting period, 15% for partnerships with a 2-year vesting period, 10% for the DAO treasury, and 5% for marketing. But what's crucial is the token's utility. Users can't just sell their tokens. They can use them on our internal marketplace, stake them to participate in governance, or use them to pay platform fees. We also have anti-inflation mechanisms. 5% of monthly fees are burned, staking removes tokens from circulation, and we have a progressive reward halving. This creates deflationary pressure that supports the token's price. Here we have to be honest. Massive token distribution creates sell pressure. Look at Axie Infinity. The SLP token lost 99.75% of its value. Why? Because users sold immediately with no incentive to hold. We've learned from these mistakes. Our strategy is threefold. First, create real utility for the tokens. Second, enforce mandatory staking to participate in governance. Third, sign major partnerships that buy tokens. With these mechanisms, we project 3 scenarios. The pessimistic one: if utility is low and 70% of users sell, the price drops to 31 cents. The realistic one: with moderate utility and 50% selling, the price reaches 59 cents, a plus 18% increase. The optimistic one: with strong utility and major partnerships, the price reaches 90 cents, a plus 80% increase. We believe the realistic scenario is the most likely. And even in this scenario, a user who recycles 12 devices per year earns $156 in value. That's attractive and credible. The market is huge. 62 million tons of e-waste per year, $57 billion in recoverable materials, and consumer demand is there. 73% of Gen Z wants sustainable solutions. We have identified 4 categories of strategic partners: OEMs like Apple and Samsung, who buy our tokens to fund their corporate social responsibility initiatives; recyclers like Veolia and Suez, who use our platform to optimize their logistics; retailers like Best Buy, who integrate recycling into their stores; and NGOs like Greenpeace, who donate our tokens to amplify impact. Our revenue model is diversified: a 2% platform fee paid in $eco by partners, a 5% commission on recovered materials, premium subscriptions for advanced features, and the sale of carbon credits. It's a solid and scalable revenue model. Here's where we are and what we're asking for. We're raising €500,000 to develop our MVP. Our timeline is ambitious but realistic: 6 months for the MVP, 18 months for the full launch. Our team consists of 1 experienced engineer in blockchain and AI, and Manus AI. In return for your investment, you receive a token allocation, 5% of the supply, a board seat, a share of the platform's revenue, 5% of fees, and exclusive partnership opportunities. Our next steps are clear: a technical deep dive where we show our architecture and code, implementing a pilot program, signing partnership agreements. You can contact us at chrisparrott5@gmail.com. Thank you.